Hello, I am Sheikh Iftikhar Rahman and our course is Reza. He is our professor who teaches us Python. He has 27 years experience in the computer field in industry. He gave us to do assignment 2, which is due on Sunday, April 11, 2021. Now I am going to explain Python assignment 2. In this assignment, I have created two programs, part A and part B. In first part A, I tested by simple arithmetic questions. Arithmetic questions involved addition, subtraction, and multiplication within 1 and 10. Each time if we answer correctly, the score increases by 1. If we answer wrongly, the score decreases by 1. In this program, I offered to quit test any time for user. Let's see the code. I mounted my Google Drive account to the Colab, which is Google Colab import drive. You can see it is working. In this part, we try to open a score text. If file does not exit, errors occurs, and we cache file not found, cache block and display no file found, and we will create one for you. If file exists, but if we cannot read it, OS errors occurs and we cache it. For other errors, we cache and display appropriate message. If file exits and if it successfully, then we can see successfully read a score. It displays a score. We know success status by checking if a score is none or not. You can see here. This is the core of game or the program. I declare max score global because I want to change global variable from inside function. Next I create two random numbers in range 1 to 10. Create random operation based on operation calculate correct answer. Read answer from user. Compare user answer and correct answer and give feedback, and of course update score as well. Here I allow user to play more and quit. If quit, display score. Player need to input correct answer. Then it will tell user that does he want to continue. If yes, then he need to input Y. Otherwise, any other character to exit. Let's do some math. Is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. You can see it is telling that congratulations, you are pro. And it is also asking Do you want to continue? If you want to continue, then you need to put Y. Otherwise, you need to input any other character to exit. So I want to continue. So Y. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. You can see it is telling to continue again if I want to. Then I'm going to put Y. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So you can see it is asking again and again. So I'm going to play again. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So it is asking me again to continue. Okay. Yes. So 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3. But I'm going to put minus 2. If I put minus 2, then it is telling me the correct answer is minus 3. Let's try another question. But if I want to exit now, then I need to put any character. Then it is telling me you got 3. Wow, I got the result. Let's do part B. In this part, I solve quadratic equation in the form of, we know that we can solve it using formula. The expression under the square root is called discriminant. If it is positive, I have two solutions using that formula. If discriminant is 0, I have one solution because root will be 0 and it will be left with minus b divided by 2a. If discriminant is negative, I do not have real solution. Now let's see the code. This is a welcome message for user, and this is a display equation with ABC. And this is, it will ask the and this ABC, it will ask the value of ABC, and we need to input number. In this, for this one I need to put input any number. For example, if I put for A, if I put 1, and for B, if I put minus 25, and for C, if I put 150, now display equation with entered values and save lines as well. And this is create a function for calculating discriminant. And this is display equation with entered values and save lines as well. And this one is calculation discriminant. You can check value of it, based value calculate and display solution as I described above using formula. So if I click here, we can see we got two real solutions, which is 10 and 15. Finally, I put this to close the file. It means to exit or close the file. Thank you for listening me. Wish you a good day. Bye.